guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, guys. If you are new, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and if you have been here since day one, thank you so much for sticking by. Like, y'all don't know how much I appreciate you all. So basically in this video I'm just gonna be talking and doing my hair with y'all, catching up and letting you guys know what's up. So guys, if you are interested in this video, then keep on watching. Alright guys, let's get into this video. Right now, my hair's a mess. Damn planes, y'all. Sorry for the airplanes. Where I live is planes just pass by left and right. So it has been a long time, y'all. A long time since I recorded a video. And I feel like I don't even know what to do. So we're gonna try. I gotta do my hair. It's not, my hair needs to be combed. I need to do something with it. It can't stay like this. My hair looks crazy. So, and it's hot and I need to put it up to last me a few more days before I wash it. So right now that's what we're about to do. We're about to moisturize, put some moisture back into this because right now my hair feels like a haystack. And we're gonna talk a little bit because I feel like I lost touch with everyone and y'all have lost touch with me. And yeah, so we're gonna talk and do my hair at the same time for as long as I can. Now, I'm not gonna do too much to it as this is not a tutorial either. So if you guys are looking for a tutorial, this is not it. This is just me refreshing my hair. So if y'all want tips on how to refresh your hair before wash day or in between washes, then maybe this is a good video for you. Or if you just kind of want to talk and because I miss y'all and I hope y'all miss me, then this is the video for you. So we're gonna keep it moving. Right now my hair is already parted in some kind of weird part, but we're gonna be mostly finger combing because I'm not about to try to get through this mess. So I need to section my hair off. We're gonna work on this side right now. I'm gonna part my hair with my hands and put it in a section, and try not to rip your hair. Try not to be too rough because my hair is so tangly. But yes, you guys, what's going on with y'all? Like, how have you guys been? Oh my god, it's been so long. It's been like 9 months since I recorded a video or posted a video. Who knows? Well, okay, maybe not posted, but since I actually recorded, sat down and recorded a video, it's been like 9 months. And sorry for the lighting if it's dark, you guys. It's nighttime right now. And this is as good as the light's gonna get. So, yeah. And look at all that shed hair. Can y'all even see that? Yeah, so I'm gonna section this part off. And I'm probably going to make another section here. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my hair up for a braid out. I haven't worn a braid out in a long time. So I'm going to see how that's going to go. So let's try to get this front piece done first. And I'm mostly going to use my fingers. But if I feel like I need to use a comb, then I will. Like right now in this area right here, I'm going to take my big comb with a long tail. And just kind of fix the part a little bit. And yeah, that's it. That's the front part, and I'm gonna clip away the rest and work on this front section here. So yes, my hair is natural. It's in a repairing stage. My hair is in the repair stage at the moment because my hair is damaged. I have a lot of heat damage, especially on the ends. You can see here on the ends that I have tons of heat damage. But I don't care. I mean, I care, but I don't care. Like, I'm not gonna cut it off. That's what I mean when I say I don't care. So I'm just working with it until it grows out. But it's pretty long. It's just 50% of it is damaged and 50% of it isn't. So, but I'm not cutting it. So that's just that. Anyway, so I'm gonna spray this whole section here and do a light comb with this white tooth comb. Ooh. Hopefully my battery doesn't die and hopefully I don't run out of space. Ooh, Yes, guys. Always start from the bottom too when you're combing, and try to hold your hair so you don't rip out any. All right. Now I took it all the way to the root. All right. I don't like combing my hair because it makes me feel like I'm losing more hair than I want to. Okay, so now that I've sprayed that down, I think I'm going to spray a little bit more. And I'm going to take my shea butter mix that I make, shea butter cocoa butter mix, take about that much. And also put a little bit of my castor oil mix. Now I mix my castor oil with tea tree oil because I've been having a lot of how you call it, dry scalp, I want to say. And before I put this tea tree oil in my castor oil, man, I tell you, it would be like snow. It would be a snowstorm in my head right now with the amount of flakes that I get. But since doing that, I don't notice as much. So I believe the tea tree oil is doing its thing with repairing my scalp. So I did that. So basically, moisturizing is what I use the water. And sealing it, I use the cocoa butter and the castor oil. That's pretty much it for moisturizing and sealing my hair. And then I just braid it. Anyway, I braid it all the way down to the end. And then I just put a little bit more shea butter on the ends because my ends are straight, they don't curl. Okay, so now I'm gonna take another section. And now I'm gonna try to start from the, like, do the back or something. Because I don't like working from the top down, I like working from the bottom up. So now I'm gonna section it off the back with my finger and kind of separate it a little bit. Try not to rip your hair off though. Be careful if you have knots or anything. You'll see that back there. So dry. Just kind of spray. Make sure you get the ends. Right, and then you want to try to detangle it a little bit with your fingers first before you go in with the comb. See, like the back part of my hair is mostly still like not damaged. Doesn't have as much damage as the front. Like you can tell, like the back here is a lot kinkier than the front section of my hair. It's mostly this side of my hair is way more damaged than this side, that's for sure. Because I even noticed that it's a lot thinner. Like I'll show you guys when I'm working on this side, that I have like a whole patch that came off, like burnt off or broke off or whatever. And it's like super short. I'll try to show you what I'm talking about. But yeah, so try to mostly finger detangle and take off all that shed hair with your fingers before you go in with the comb. Just so you don't do too much damage. Because combing your hair is actually really damaging. Probably gonna go back in, spray some more. You don't want your hair soaking wet, but you do want it damp enough. That way it'll hold the curl pattern of the braid out. So you don't want it soaking wet, but you want it wet enough that your hair holds the curl of the braid. I'm going to just take the comb and kind of comb through the ends a little bit so everything is nice and smooth. But yeah guys, so y'all want to talk about where I've been? Who knows? Honestly, I really don't know where the time went. Yeah, but there's so much that I want to do, and it's like I feel like I abandoned this channel. I don't know what the direction of the channel is going to be, but for the most part I'm probably going to be going back to making videos by myself because my sister isn't here with me. We don't live together anymore. She, you know, is doing her thing now. She's being an adult, taking care of, you know, her responsibilities, and we just don't live in the same state, which therefore means we can't make videos together. So I'm probably going to be posting videos with myself, and it's probably going to be more directed to hair videos like it was in the beginning when I first started this channel. Way back in 2007. Was it? No, 2009? Possibly. I don't remember when I started this channel. Maybe 2010. I can't remember. You see this knot right here? Can y'all even see that? Hold on. Let me see if y'all can see this knot. Shit is crazy. Look at that. Ridiculous. Now I gotta try to get her hair out of it. The majority of the time when you have a knot, it's usually one strand of hair that's tangled in between others, and it's causing everything else to knot up. So just take your time in taking it out. What did I tell you? One freaking strand of hair that causes a knot. Basically, same thing, okay guys? Just spray, moisturize. Alright, that's your moisture. Spray, spray, spray until it's not soaking wet, but it's pretty damp, and you can finger detangle, separate. If I was to soak my hair, then you would get to see what I'm talking about, where I say the damage is. So when my hair is stretched, you can't really tell where the damage is. Let me see if I can spray down a section for you guys to show you what I mean by 50% of my hair is damaged and the rest of it is not. Okay, maybe it's like 70% because it's growing out. Alright, so this is what I'm talking about when I say my hair is damaged. All right here is not damaged. Then the ends is damaged. Then you got a little bit of curl in the middle, and then the ends are straight again. So that's what I mean when I say I have heat damage. Can you tell? Anyway, we make it work. So it's very important to be very gentle with your hair when you have two different textures, because it can easily just break off. Hey y'all, so I'm about halfway through my hair, and I'm just going to show you what I was talking about when I said that my hair was damaged. You see this part right here? This is all broken off, fell off. Yep, so I'm just finishing up the last couple sections off, and then I'll be done with prepping my hair for the braid out. Alright you guys, so this is the last section. I'm about to finish up right now. But yeah, so I don't want to make any promises as to when I will be recording another video. I don't know when I'll be recording another video. I would like to make a schedule, but right now my work schedule is just so busy that I cannot promise you another scheduled video. But what I can say is that I probably will be making maybe some travel vlogs, because I do plan on traveling in the near future. So you can look forward to that. Sorry about this video being so dark. I feel like I'm super dark in this video. Alright you guys, so I'm done recording this video. I feel like I've changed my position so many times. Hold up, this thing is a little dirty. Alright, that's better. Yeah, I feel like I've changed the camera position so many times that I don't really know what to say or do anymore. So I'm done with this braid out prep. I've moisturized my hair. It feels really moisturized. I'm telling you, the simplest ingredients, or the simplest products, I feel like you will reap the most benefits from. So I think this is gonna be the end of this video. I'm not sure when I'm gonna upload another video. I don't really have a schedule made up. I just kind of wanted to record because I feel like I haven't said or done anything in a while, and I kind of wanted to come back and say what's up to y'all, and hopefully y'all will say what's up back. But yeah, and just kind of show you where my hair has gone or how it's looking since the last year that I posted a video. But I feel like it's pretty long now. It's very long now, actually. It grew a lot, but like I showed you in the beginning of this video, it's pretty damaged. As far as repairing my hair, I'm trying to. I'm not using as much heat in my hair as I used to. Let me show you how much hair I lost though. So this is how much hair I lost with this braid out that I attempted. Now this might look like a lot to you guys, but I haven't combed my hair in about 2 weeks. So this is shed hair from 2 weeks. So today was the first day that I actually detangled and combed through my hair within the last 2 weeks. So I don't know, it may be a lot, might not, but for me this is kind of what I'm used to shedding, which is probably why that broken piece of hair I showed you earlier is there, because my hair fell out. But it's not making me cry. I'm not like butthurt about it. I just know that I need to take better care of my hair. I know what I need to do to take better care of my hair. So sometimes I get lazy and I just don't feel like doing it. Sometimes I really don't moisturize my hair. I don't oil my scalp. I don't do a lot of things. I don't deep condition the way I'm supposed to, but you live and you learn. And right now I'm in the process of getting my hair back to its healthiest that it can be. So it's not all about length. Like, length looks good, but if your hair isn't healthy, then what's the point, right, of having long hair if it's not healthy? So thanks for sticking with me. I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out, y'all. Bye. So if you're interested in seeing this video, then guys, if you're interested in watching this video, then keep on watching. Why can't I get this right? Now, if you guys are wondering if my hair is natural, yes, it is. Can you even see me? I'm a ghost right now. Woo!